Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about x equals to tan t, because if I put this one gone here, we have 1 plus tan t square. This one we change by secant of t square, and later that we simplify the square root and dx. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have dx equals to secant of t square dt. Now we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, that's it from here. So I will put number 0 gone here, and we can find the value of t. So t equals to number 0 when s equals to 1 over 2. So I will put 1 over 2 gone here, and now we can find the value of t, that is about arctan of 1 over 2. So we have t equals to arctan of 1 over 2. So number 0 we keep the same. This one we change by arctan of 1 over 2. S we change by this one. Ds we change by this one. This one we change by secant of t square. And this one we change by secant of t. And now we simplify. We know that tan t, that is about sin t over cosine t, everything to the power of 3. This one we have 1 over cosine t. This one we need to simplify, and we have like this. Because cosine t and cosine t to the power of 3 we multiply each other, that's why we have number 4 in here. Next, about this one we put about sin t and sin t square. Next, we have the formula in here. Sin t square plus cosine t square equals to number 1. And we see that we have sin t square. So I will put cosine t square go to the right. So I will put this one gone here. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to cosine t. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have negative sin t dt. Because we don't have the negative sign in here, so I will put this one go to the left. Next, we need to change the bounds. When t equals to number 0, so we put number 0 on here, and we have u equals to number 1. when t equals to this one. So we put this one gone here, and we have u equals to number 2 over the square root of number 5. Number 0 we change by number 1. This one we change by this one. So cosine t we change by u. Sine t dt we change by negative du. So this one we can put like this. So this one I will put u to the power of negative number 4. And now we have the final answer. And now we put the bounds from number 1 to this one. So I will put this one gone here, and this one gone here. Number 1 we put this one gone here and here. So we calculate this one, and that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.